Premier Kitchen, remodeling and renovation services in Woodland Hills, Utah. EagleRidge offers premier kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Woodland Hills, Utah, 84653, specializing in enhancing both the functionality and visual appeal of your kitchen. Whether you're planning a kitchen makeover, upgrade, or a complete custom remodel, EagleRidge is your go-to choice for exceptional kitchen transformations. Our skilled professionals are known for their craftsmanship and commitment to client satisfaction. As leading kitchen remodeling contractors and renovation specialists in the 84653 area, we guarantee high-quality results that elevate your kitchen space. We offer new kitchen construction, kitchen additions, extensions, and custom design and build services. From detailed design and planning, including kitchen layouts, interior design, and 3D concept development, we work with you to bring your vision to life. Our custom cabinetry services enhance storage and style with options like cabinet refacing, refinishing, built-in cabinets, pantry installation, and kitchen islands. We also specialize in countertop installation, offering granite, quartz, marble, solid surface, and butcher block countertops, as well as kitchen flooring installation with tile, hardwood, and vinyl options. EagleRidge excels in backsplash installation, tile, glass, stone, custom backsplash designs, and wall paneling. We also offer kitchen lighting installation, including under-cabinet lighting, recessed lighting, LED options, and skylights. Need plumbing or appliance installation? We've got you covered, from sink and faucet installations to built-in appliances, stoves, ovens, and more. We also offer electrical services, such as electrical upgrades, outlet installations, and smart home integration. For structural changes, we handle wall removals, open concept transformations, and door-window installations. Our finishing touches include trim, molding, custom woodwork, and painting. EagleRidge is dedicated to providing eco-friendly kitchen remodeling, energy-efficient appliances, and accessibility upgrades, ensuring a kitchen that suits your lifestyle. Our demolition and site cleanup services ensure a hassle-free experience from start to finish. Get in touch with EagleRidge today for a free estimate at 801-784-1457. We're here to make your kitchen dreams a reality in Woodland Hills, Utah. Visit us at EagleRidgePros.com.